Okay, Jet. What can you taste? Do you want to try some salsa?
No.
No? What about some spaghetti sauce?
No.
What about some Lion Imperial Lager?
Nope.
Come on, you can't be picky, man. I know you're starting to become famous, but, you know, we're starting to run out of options here.
I want this.
You want some of this?
Yes, I want this.
It's a cocoa cafe latte.
I want this. Try this.
You want to try this?
Yeah, I want to take it.
There's a little bit left. Yeah, I don't think you can drink that. It's not good for babies. What about...
This for mommies.
Yeah. What about some of this?
Nope. That's disgusting.
It's disgusting. Well, what about some of this?
Nope. That's disgusting.
What about... Oh! An old chicken leg?
No. Yeah.
Can't eat that. Might as well just throw that away. Alright, well, let's look in the freezer.